Hi, my name is Amy and I'm from Minnesota. I am a massive sugar addict. There was a time where if I thought there were cookies and I might not get to them until they were gone, I would nearly shake. One night I was surfing on Facebook, came across the Clean Food Crush Eating Challenge. On a whim, I dove headfirst, joined the April 2023 challenge, and as of today, I'm down 15 pounds and I don't consider myself an active sugar addict anymore. My biggest takeaway from the program is just how simple it is. If you follow Rachel's guidance and let her teach you the basics of clean food eating and why it's so good for us. Rachel gives us so many amazing recipes to choose from that we make ourselves with real food from the grocery store. They are easy, they're delicious, and our families love them too. It's just real food that our bodies understand how to digest and process, and it's life-changing. Yes, I've lost some weight, but I've also gained energy, I sleep better, my skin is brighter, and I am in control. Seriously, if you're on the fence about joining the Clean Food Crush Eating Challenge, don't even hesitate, just do it.